guys, welcome to a new vlog. This vlog, as you can see by the title, is titled maintenance vlog. We are going to be, as you can see, doing our hair. Nails will be in this vlog, as well as petties. We're going to do our feet as well. So we're just going to get ourselves together because we just been looking real rough. I had took my nails off because I wanted to do a fall set and I want them to be coffin. And the last set I had on was more square. So we're going to do all of that. I'm going to show you guys what I purchased from the nail supply store. And we lost a tooth as well. It's a lot we have to catch up on. But I'm going to do a maintenance vlog here. So let's get to it, guys. All right. So we got Jackson. She about to get her hair done and her feet. See your nails done. So we're gonna get her straight, and when she come back on camera, she will be put together. As you see me, I took the back out, so now I gotta finish the top. So I'm gonna finish that, and probably when she be back on camera, she'll be together, and then this will probably be out, and then we're gonna wash my hair, blow dry it, braid it down for a wig, and then we're gonna get ready for my nails. Just finished taking my hair out, washing it, blow drying it, conditioning, all that good stuff. My hair is super thick and neat. I need a perm, but I already know I'm about to be waiting it out for a couple more months, so there's no perm needed. Although I want to put a perm in right now when it's winter time because I can wear my hair out better and like treat it for a little while, give it some breathing time. But for right now, we're about to braid it down, so we're gonna put a wig on. Jackson did get her hair finished, but she's asleep. Y'all, it's like 8 o'clock. I'm tired. It's been a long day. I worked, washed clothes, did hair, nails, took care of, cooked dinner, watched a movie with the kids and family. So I'm tired. But I'm going to braid my hair down and I'm going to prep my wig because tomorrow morning I gotta get up and be somewhere by 7. Every other Saturday I go to the shelter and I feed the homeless. So I gotta do it tomorrow, and when I get home, it's gonna be time to go. So I want to be halfway there as far as hair. I wanted to do my nails tonight, but I'm not even gonna get to that. That's just gonna have to wait till probably tomorrow evening. My hair is so thick, I can still feel it's wet right here, but honestly, it's alright because I'm about to braid it down. I'm gonna pick my clothes out before I get into bed, and I'm going to bed. Y'all know I look tired because I'm tired. So I'm gonna come back to y'all when I have finished braiding my hair down, and I'm trying to figure out something to wear. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, 6:43 in the morning. Where y'all at home snoring? I am up, like I said yesterday. I am up, about to get ready to go serve, but I need some gas. So I'm about to put some gas in my car. I don't even know if y'all can hear what I just said, but I'm going to go put some gas in the car, and then that car look a little suspect to me. But yeah, I'm gonna go put some gas in the car, and then I'm gonna go on about my business. So I'm about to go put some gas in and I'll come back. Sorry y'all, I'm just everywhere. It's a lot going on. It's early in the morning. It's a little dark, so I gotta watch my surroundings. So let me go and come back. All right, y'all. So it's a cold one out here today. Oh, it's cold out here. I mean, honestly, it was a cold black night. I just put listen, being an adult is overrated, okay? If there's any kids under the age of 18, being an adult is overrated. Don't rush it. Like, I just put $20 in my car because I thought it was going to take me to the half a tank. No, but I should have knew better because my car takes about $60 to fill up. So I don't know why I thought 20 was going to do half. But I had a little notch, so that's why I thought I was going to be good. But adulting is overrated. My low tire pressure is on, and yeah, but vibe out. Headed to go feed the homeless. And we're gonna have a great Saturday. So let's go, guys. The sunset is beautiful. I can see it on my right. I will pick y'all up, but I don't really want to do all that. And I want to focus. It's cold. Get my mind right before I go in here. So I will see you guys more than likely when I leave the shelter. We are headed home. I didn't know I looked this crazy though. I mean, I had this under my hair because it's laying my hair down, melting my scalp because I laid my wig down this morning before I left. So now I am going to go home, freshen up, and get ready because I'm supposed to be headed to Raleigh to enjoy some festivities with my family. So I'm about to go home, get dressed. I already have an idea. Honestly, my idea in my head, I got these stockings that I want to wear. So we're going to see how that's going to play out. But I'm going to try to take you guys with me. So let's go home. See what my family's doing. My kids probably up. I already know they're up, obviously. But we about to go get ready, get dressed at the house. Good thing Jackson hair is already done, so I ain't gotta worry about, hold on, let me get y'all right, so good thing Jackson hair is done, so I don't have to worry about doing all of that. Only thing I do is make sure she's dressing together. My son, yeah, I'm gonna just see what everybody got going on when I get home and get situated. And I probably will record a little bit of me doing my makeup, but I'm not gonna record my makeup because I have so many videos on my channel of me doing my makeup, so we're not gonna do this as a we're not gonna do this as a get ready with me. So you want to see some, I have some on my YouTube channel, I have some on my TikTok. Like I'm gonna do some makeup videos again. I'm not saying that to say I'm not gonna do no more, but I'm just saying, like, as far as this video, this is the vlog, so we're gonna focus on that. So yeah, let's get ready and enjoy this Saturday. All right, y'all, we have made it to the museum in Raleigh. The sun has got my makeup looking crazy. I wonder if I turn the other way. Oh, okay. So it's like a little bit. Let me come back when I am inside. Good morning, everyone. So this is a new day. It was supposed to be a maintenance vlog, but we're gonna just carry this on, okay, to the rest of this week. So this is kind of like a 2-week, or I don't know, it's a vlog. So it's Monday morning. I have my favorite people in the car. Thing one is in the back. You can't see him, but I see his look at his little head. I see him. There you go. And then this thing two, Toothless right here. And we are doing the school drop off. So let's go. All right, y'all, so we are back at home. A lot has happened from when I took the kids to school. Actually, I had to go back and pick up. You can hear my son, he's coughing, so he's home. But I'm going to leave in a minute to go pick up my daughter from school a little bit early because she's not used to being, she's not used to the car ride thing without her brother. And I just don't want that confusion. The mother and me, I just can't. So I'm going to pick her up soon. But I want to let you know what's about to happen because it's about to move really fast. And I'm hoping I can catch it on camera. And I hope you got what I just said. So I'm trying to be cute. So I'm trying to actually get cute and be cute as well. So I need to go pick up some food because it's my anniversary. So I'm going to go pick up some food. I'm going to try to set up a nice little thing in the table in here because we can't really go out to eat because he is in school and working third. So by the time he gets out of school, like around 5, he's gonna have to come home and go get to sleep because he gotta get up in like a couple hours. So I want to set up a nice little dinner here. I'm gonna get cute and all that good stuff, but I still gotta be a mom, so I gotta go do that stuff first and get them situated. But also, like, I took my wig off. If I was thinking ahead of time, I could have had a wig on, but I didn't. But either who, that's neither here nor there. I need to slow my little speaking down. So I'm about to go through my party box and see what kind of knickknacks I have to try to make do what I have to set up something cute. And I'm gonna try to take y'all along with me. I'm gonna try to take y'all with me. Who knows how it's gonna play out. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a rundown real quick so y'all start seeing things happen. Y'all know why. But I'm trying to vlog to keep y'all on the track, okay, on the wave. So let's get to it. I look crazy to the Zay, but we have stopped decorating to go pick up thing 2 from school. So we about to go back home and try to finish decorating, start on my makeup. Then when I get off from work, I'm gonna go pick up the order. I may not pick up the order till about 4 o'clock because we don't get out of class till like 4:45. So the life. All right, y'all, so we are headed back home. I just went to go pick up the food. I have done my makeup and my hair, so I'm about to go home and sorry, I had to so I'm about to go home, get dressed, get everything set up before you get home, and then I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the setup. And then all right, y'all, this is the end of the vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed this little snippet, this little day in the life slash, you know, I don't even know what you want to call it. I'm trying to participate in VlogTober and try to push out some content for you guys because I do like vlogging. Like I said before, I really enjoy the fact that it makes me go do things. Look at thing number 2. All right, so like I said again, guys, that is pretty much it for this vlog. I'm trying to push out content. I hope you guys are enjoying that. If you have and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already. First of all, don't mind this little piece that just don't want to lay down. If you are watching this vlog and you made it this far, why are you not subscribed? Don't can't get my words out. Don't do me the disservice, okay? Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you are not missing an upload, guys. And I will see you guys in the next upload. And as always, stay true and stay you. And I will see you guys in the next video.